It's my sister, Little Bill. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Little Bill.
Hi.
And what are you gonna do today?
I'm gonna kick Mikey's butt.
That's Mikey.
Okay.
He's not gonna hit her back. They're just playing, but
I can't beat up Little Bill.
he can only take her down and do wrestling.
Yep.
All right, come on, Jada.
Come on, Little Bill, let's go. Hey, no nails.
Don't pinch, Jada.
Come here. Yeah.
Hey, back up, back up. You're by the sidewalk.
Yeah.
Just keep swinging, Jada.
He's not doing anything.
Jada, hands up.
Come on.
Go for a jab.
What?
Just keep punching him. Oh shit. Oh.
What up?
Throw hands, Jada. Oh shit. Oh. He's not actually hurting her, they're just playing.